Back for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, the Supreme Court has asked the Aam Aadmi Party to vacate its headquarters. Big news coming in from the national capital. The Supreme Court has asked the Aam Aadmi Party to vacate its headquarters near the Rouse Avenue Court. Aam Aadmi Party has been asked to vacate its office after the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Supreme Court has given Aam Aadmi Party time till the 15th of June to vacate its headquarters. In fact, the Supreme Court has said that this is an encroachment into the land given to Delhi High Court. Big observation there. The Supreme Court telling the Aam Aadmi Party that this is an encroachment into the land given to the Delhi High Court. Now, the plot was meant to construct additional court rooms for Rouse Avenue Court, is being told by the Supreme Court, while it asks the Aam Aadmi Party to vacate. And we have our legal editor Harish joining us. Harish, huge setback there coming in. The Supreme Court making it very clear to the Aam Aadmi Party that it has to vacate its headquarters because this was a case of encroachment in a land that was meant for the court.
Yes, that is right. This Supreme Court bench led by the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, told in clear terms to Abhishek Mani Singhvi, who had appeared for Aam Aadmi Party, that what you have done is an encroachment and you have to vacate the premises by June 15, because in fact Supreme Court was inclined to set an earlier deadline, saying that land or plot meant for the Delhi High Court, that is for expansion of Rouse Avenue Court and construct more courtrooms, cannot be encroached in this fashion by a national party. But Abhishek Mani Singhvi said that the national elections are coming. We can't be put on road like this. So at least maybe we are ready to vacate, but maybe after the general election. So Chief Justice saying that you have to vacate by June 15, but you have to vacate. Rule of law has to prevail, and you cannot be, in fact, allowed to occupy that property. The Aam Aadmi Party said that keeping with its status as a national party, as one of the 6 national parties, it has to be given an alternative plot.
Right.
At this juncture, Chief Justice said that you cannot use the Supreme Court, you cannot use the High Court, you cannot use our good offices to get an alternative plot or land. So you should appropriately apply with the Land and Development Office, LNDO. That is the process. But anyways, we will say that you can move the LNDO for an alternative plot, but by June 15, you have to vacate. So the biggest takeaway is that Supreme Court has set in very clear terms to Aam Aadmi Party that they have to vacate.
So deadline has been set, Harish. A deadline has been set, and looking at the upcoming elections, the Supreme Court has said that June 15th is the date that we are giving you, but you have to vacate this plot because it was meant for the court. And the LNDO also, the Land and Development Authority, on its part also said that Aam Aadmi Party has been encroaching since 2017. Thank you for joining